Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a proxy to Streisand app on iPhone. So first thing you're going to want to do, open the app. Then you're going to tap the plus sign and then top right. It's where you import your proxy configuration using these three options. You could pick whichever one. For me, I have a dummy one. I'm gonna import it from my clipboard. Allow. And you see, I have all this. I have all these servers now. And this is basically, I got this thing for free. Basically, there's a website called v2rayforfree.net. We'll go on it right now. I'll show you guys. v2rayforfree.net. What? Oh. I don't know why, but it's not. Oh yeah, right here. Free V2Ray server. So it has all these servers and stuff. Click on it. And it will give you the link right here. So you just paste the link in and you get all these servers. Or you could just use the link I put in. And yeah, that's basically it. You have all these servers you can connect to. You're gonna wanna pick one from the list and then tap on connect. Okay, and you're done. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.